Hello everyone, welcome to Tinkle. In this video, we are going to see how to build a hovercraft. For that, we will need these circular foam pieces which you can get in this box of how stuff works. You will need a balloon which is in this common box, the thread which is in another common box, and one straw which you will get in the box with other straws. Let's get started. For the first step, we have to tie this balloon over this straw using the thread. So first I'll just insert little bit inside it, and then using this piece of thread which I have cut out, we will tie this. Once the thread is tied, now you have to blow up the balloon. While blowing the balloon, place your fingers here so that the air does not escape from the other side. Once the balloon is blown, by holding your fingers here, you have to insert the straw onto the disc. Don't leave the balloon from this side. Once the straw is fixed onto the disc, then you can release your fingers and see the hovercraft working. This way you can build hovercrafts using different discs, straws of different thickness and also different length. In the box you will find all of them. You can even cut the straw and find out in which combination does the hovercraft move faster, right? You can also build multiple hovercrafts and have a race with your friends. Tinker and you can explore.